Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's Workshop Wednesday, we're going to be doing a mani using one of the new collections that is releasing this Saturday from the QueenDianna27. This is the Halloween collection, and the color that you're seeing here is one of the 10 colors, and this is called a Frog's Breath, and it is a beautiful bright green, and it's the perfect green for the Halloween season. And I just love this bottle so much. I think QueenDianna27's logo is amazing. So for today's mani, we are going to be using the Sundara Nails base coat and the top coat, and then we're going to be using just one of the colors from QueenDianna's 27 collection. So we're going to go ahead and start with the base coat first. Now there are 10 awesome, perfect Halloween colors in this collection. And this collection is releasing this weekend. That is Saturday, August 27th at 10 a.m. Central Time. So definitely set your alarms, set reminders, because this collection is going to go fast. Just because QueenDianna27, her last collection went really fast, and these colors are amazing for the Halloween season. Not only are these colors super pretty, the names of these colors are so fun. So the color we're using here is called Frog's Breath. There is a really awesome, dark, beautiful, creamy black gel polish in this collection. It is called Batshit Crazy, and it is the most gorgeous black I've ever seen in a gel polish. And then there is another one that is kind of like a soft pumpkin color, and it has a really fun name called Pumpkin Guts. So definitely head over to Sundara Nails Facebook group. They've been dropping a lot of sneak peeks of all different Halloween collections. And then you can take a look at all the 10 colors and all the fun names. You definitely don't want to miss out. And definitely stay tuned on the Sundara Facebook group as well, because other ambassadors will be showing you other manis with this beautiful collection as well. So not only are you able to get the Dianna 27 collection this weekend, you can also pre-order other Halloween collections. There is a Hocus Pocus 2 collection coming out, which is all dip powders, and then they collaborated with Nails Truly, which is a decal company, and her decals are amazing. And it comes with a limited edition decal sheet that you can only get with the Hocus Pocus collection. You cannot get that separately through Sundara Nails or through Nails Truly. There's also going to be a Day of the Dead collection releasing, which is awesome. There's a triple thermal dip powder in there. And then there is another collection. I know, they're hitting Halloween super hard, but I'm okay with it because I love Halloween. So the other dip collection is super fun and super classic. It is a classic monster collection, and it is amazing. And the decals also that come with this collection are also amazing. So 3 dip collections total with limited edition decal sheets that coordinate with each collection, which is awesome. And then there's some builder gels. There's just a whole bunch of Halloween stuff coming out, and you definitely don't want to miss it. So again, this Saturday, August 27th at 10 a.m. And the dip powders are going to be pre-order. So you want to make sure if you want any of those collections that you definitely take advantage of that pre-order, because once the collections sell out, I don't know if they're going to restock anymore, just because these collections are super custom with the dips and then the coordinating decals. And then you can also get this weekend the awesome new 6-color builder gels, which are gorgeous. I can go on and on all day about this beautiful Halloween stuff that's coming out, but I'm telling you, you have to check it out for yourself because the pictures on the community page are awesome. So what I'll do is I'll link everything below the Sundara Nails Facebook group, and I will also link the link to QueenDianna27, her TikTok page, because she's awesome. And if you don't know who that is, she's on TikTok, so I'll leave her link below as well. I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process. It is such a fun green, and I haven't done an all solid mani in a while, and I'm living for it, especially with this green. So I'm going to go ahead and let you enjoy this mani process, and I'll pop back in a few moments. All right, we're just wrapping up this mani, and how amazing is this green color? It is bright, it is fun, it is perfect Halloween green, and the name Frog's Breath makes the color even better. So key date for this weekend, Saturday, August 27th, 10 a.m. Central Time. You do not want to miss it. You definitely want to get your spooky season on with Sundara Nails and their awesome Halloween nail items. I'll link everything in the description box below, and I'll see you in next week's Workshop Wednesday. Bye.